So we're gonna jump on eBay. It's 1990, best year ever.
Are you stuck?
What am I dealing with here? I did not want to do that. Might even pull this engine out. There's only these speakers, mate.
Mate.
Don't know what to do with my hands. Ejectocito, cuz. Just look hard or what? Whoa, shit! Never misses a beat. My poor lawn. Still got it. Poor thing doesn't deserve that sort of treatment, does it? Or does my lawn? Shit. Finally got it looking good. Everyone knows I love this thing, but I think it's time we give it a little bit of a birthday. Mini truck's gonna get a little update, so we better get going in, get into it. Get going, get into it. Come on, Odie, over there. There you go, mate, good job. Tailgate's only hanging on by the latches, so. Get up. Get in. Get over, mate, get over. Go check the fences, eh? These poor little trees, they're not doing too good. They need to grow a little bit. They grow a metre a year, these things. Anyway. See if we can get up here. Nope.
Are you stuck? Oh.
I knew this would happen. I'd have to go get the tractor from the shed to go pull this bastard out. Oh, it looks a bit flat too. Yeah, it's flat. So she needs a bit of work. That's what we're going to do. We're going to just liven her up a bit, make her run a bit better. Suspension's horrible. Proper wheel nuts on it, new lights, all that sort of jazz, you know. But now we've got to get it out. Come on, come on. Oh, so graceful, mate. I did not want to do that. Can you drive manual?
In games.
What am I dealing with here? Oh, I can't believe I just let that go that little bit too far. Otis is pretty happy in there. This is me being very lazy and not wanting to go get the Is that tree in the way now?
Yeah.
Can't believe that worked. Hang on, Odie. First things first, I reckon we need to have a look at the suspension because shocks on this are quite soft. They're not supposed to be like that. So, because it did have that water tank in the back of it for a little bit. I caught the shed wall down in the city and bent that and bent that. That's why we have these multicolored door, lovely green and blue fenders, which I kind of sort of like, and decided to change it and put the other ones on there as well to make it all sort of suit, I guess. I know we have to fix the window winder in this. Only comes halfway up. It does that. So then you got to pull it up. My seat got a little bit of play. The other one's got nothing in it, I don't think. So yeah, no, that one probably should put that one down. Put at least one bolt in it to make it a bit safer. Fix the cable. Now it does have an immobilizer on it. That is something that we need fixed somehow. We're going to give this a big clean. So the 4-post hoist down the well end shed, we're going to put it up there and I'm going to get underneath it and a hazmat suit and degrease it all and give it a good proper clean. Front suspension as well. We're going to get into that. The polyurethane bushes and all that sort of garbage, get into that as well. We're going to replace some lights. These are not the right ones, so we're going to pull them off. I want to look for another bar. We got some new blinkers, I reckon, some new rear view mirrors. There's a whole list of things that we are going to get for this car, and I'm pretty excited to get in because this is probably one of my favorite cars that I've got. It is, I paid $2.5 grand for it, a signed jumper and a signed pair of boots. It's been my most reliable. As you can see, we jumped in it. It's been sitting for a while and ended up just starting straight away, which is pretty amazing. But these things go forever. So we're just going to give it a little birthday. It deserves it. We'll probably change the oil, go through the coolant system and all that sort of jazz. And I think we're going to do a starter motor. And I was thinking alternator, but it seems to be charging all right now. But we might have to put some auto meters on that and see if it actually is charging. So, but other than that, she's going all right. Maybe a new battery as well, because this one's got a little seeing eye through it. And I think it's a little bit red. So we'll worry about that another time. We've got a fair bit of stuff to do. I'm going to pull the tray off as well. I'm thinking doing a rhino liner in that. Yeah, and then I can really get into the chassis and give that a clean. Maybe even give it a lick of paint, because I think it deserves it. And like I said, I love it. I'd love to do a power steering conversion on it as well, because shit, it's hard to turn. But yeah, that is it. That is the plan. We'll see how long that lasts, see if we might even pull this engine out, or you never know what is around the corner with me, because I change my mind every second day, and it's not a good habit to have. Play one song. One song. I'll leave that cocked, just in case. All right, so we've got a fair bit of stuff to get for this thing. So we're gonna jump on eBay and we're gonna go into my garage, add your vehicle, and go down to make and model. There it is. It's a 1990, best year ever, 2.4 litre. That is correct. So once we've got that, it'll automatically show you down the bottom down here, all your parts. So auto performance parts, air conditioning, intake, brakes, charging, cooling, engine components, exterior, gauges, glass, so you just click that and then you go straight into it. Here's some stuff that I've prepared earlier. So front and rear gas shocks, 245 bucks. We'll add to cart. What else we got? We got some mirrors, black, love them, add to cart. Tail lights. Oh, they're the right ones. We add them, 55 bucks. We got some blinkers for the front here, 36 bucks, add to cart. We've got 4 items at the moment. We'll go back in and we'll have a look, see what else we can grab. We possibly do need another alternator and starter motor, so charging system, alternator, starter motor. I don't know if we need one of them. We better get one anyway. Add that to cart. I reckon we might be just about ready. Hit purchase on all that. Lower ball joints, 90 bucks. I wonder if there's like a bolt kit. Some of these bolts are really rusty. Yep, I reckon that's it. That'll do it for now. We'll go to cart and we've got the mirrors, we've got the lights, we've got the indicators, we have the front and rear shocks, we have the starter motor, and then we got the 2 lower ball joints for this mini truck. Go to checkout, confirmed, parts are on their way. We're looking at getting them next week. All right, that is going to be it for this video. Stay tuned. We have the parts on the way. So next video, we're going to be getting stuck into this. I'm going to be in a hazmat suit, giving this a big degrease, big clean on the 4-post hoist down at the shed. Stay tuned, I should say, because this is going to be a good one. It's staying here as well. I'm not moving it.
What's the album name?
Broken Hearts and Mini Trucks.
What's the bass up, bro?
There's only these speakers, mate.
Mate, get a subwoofer with this.
See, I'm all about the acoustics, mate. You ever find